that might happening. The room is officially painted. It looks so freaking good. I could keep going, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Today we're having some contractors come because I've been wanting to do beadboard here. So before I like really can get into doing the nursery, I want to get the walls and everything painted and done. But we've had this chair rail here forever. It's kind of like a weird low. It's a little low for a chair rail, but then we also have the window, which makes it challenging. Anyway, we're gonna have them do beadboard. I think we're gonna raise this up just a little bit, just to give it a better height, and then that's gonna be all white. I selected this color, which I have to remember the name of it, but I'm doing it at 50% because I really liked the shade of the color, and like, it's not too cool, not too warm, not too green, not too gray, whatever, but it was just still too dark. So 50%, so it's like cut with white, so it's half of the color. We'll do that on the upper area, and then the closet, we're just gonna do plain white in there. And then I'm gonna have the girls from Coastal Organizing Company come back and help me figure out how to make this closet functional for a baby. And just really for anyone, it's never been super functional because you can see it's super old. There's not really good storage, so we're gonna try to get it all situated this week. I know LBD won't be taking baths in a bathtub for a very long time necessarily, but we have not upgraded our guest bath at all. Like, we did the outside, the tile, the sinks and everything, but we never touched the bathtub because I'm like, I don't take baths. So the whole time we've lived here, haven't done anything with it. But today, we're finally upgrading. So you can see, like, we did marble, you can't see the sinks and stuff, but we did all that when we moved in, but this has not been touched, and honestly, it's been used maybe twice the whole time we've lived here. But it has like this nasty rust situation. You just hide it, but we're gonna redo it. Some intense stuff happening. Working to keep on. Why did you installing something so hot?
Because I don't usually install stuff.
It's so handy and manly of you.
Yeah. Let everyone know. Tell them all.
Ryan's so handy.
Installing a smoke detector, people. Watch out.
You guys, the other night, Ryan brought up that we didn't have a smoke detector in this room, and then he started looking through the whole house, and we had some, obviously, but then now he's just protecting the entire house for us because apparently we care more, obviously, now that we're having a baby.
Gotta have the good tech.
Yeah, and that one's like set up with all of our other Nest stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Boom.
Done.
Ready, in the bedroom.
Ooh!
Test.
What is it?
Well, if you're not gonna believe it.
The room is officially painted. It looks so freaking good. Oh, I'm so happy with the color I chose. You guys. I'll turn the camera around so you can get like the full view. How pretty is this? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get this furniture in here. It's gonna look so freaking good. Now that the room is painted and ready, we are gonna start building the glider. So this is the Baby Leto Siggy glider. It is like the top of the top. It has a like electrical, or like, is that what it's called? Electrical, the recliner? Yeah. You just press a button and it reclines. And then it also has like USB charging, so I can have my phone charging or whatever while I'm just glued to a chair breastfeeding all the time, which is what my future looks like.
It's pretty heavy duty.
It's really heavy duty. And then we have the 3-drawer dresser that has a changing table on top. So we'll probably just start with the chair for tonight though.
Oh yeah, very nice color. Wow, this is a fancy chair.
Ooh! Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
That is so nice.
Okay, why don't you take this?
Oh,
No, pillow down. Yeah, there we go.
How are we gonna get that through that door? What's it?
Oh.
This is like literally the nicest glider there is. Pretty sure. Did a lot of research. Look how pretty that is. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Just see this up close. Like, look at this. Wood. I'm just gonna live in here. Okay, we just put the base in. Ryan's bringing the other pieces. I initially planned on doing it in this corner, but there's not a plug here. It has to be plugged in. So I was thinking this corner, but this is where the big, pregnancy brain, the crib is gonna go. And now there wouldn't really be room for the crib there, but I don't really picture the crib anywhere else.
What can the crib
So I need to evaluate. I feel like the crib there would feel weird. Walk with me. We're walking in. I picture the crib over here, and this chair was gonna be there, but it's not gonna work. The crib there feels weird because you walk right into it. That needs to be more fluid.
Should have thought of this before you installed the beadboard and had all the outlets.
Could you, I guess we could have moved an outlet. You should have thought of it.
No. Now you
Okay.
We're not changing anything.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Ready?
You're just gonna be in here without the baby.
I know.
You don't even need him.
This isn't even reclined. This is just the natural state, and I'm already happy.
Wow.
Make sure I don't run into the wall. Do I have room?
You're close, but you have a little room.
I could keep going, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is so great. I'm so happy. I feel like I'm in like a spa. I'm closing my eyes. I'm like, someone do my nails and my toes, please. Thank you. This is great. You want to try it?
Yeah, sure.
You practicing? Practice your rocking? You playing a guitar?
Oh, baby.
Oh my gosh.
It's the same thing. It's the same.
Looks like you're gonna hike a football over your shoulder.
He's gonna be the shape of a football. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, such a good gliding
Smooth
bass.
rocking action.
It's so quiet. Obviously, it makes like no sound. That's really awesome. Night night. It's so real.
I'll find you in here sleeping.
I will.
Not even baby with you.
Well, this is great when I like start to not be able to sleep in the bed and I can come just like lay there reclined. You're so handy.
I'm so old.
Okay, so we just built this bento 3-drawer dresser, and it also has a changing table on top, so I just need to get like a pad for the changing table. I haven't decided if I'm gonna have this out here, it might go over there, or actually possibly just have it in the closet, but we'll figure it out. Now we have to start putting the crib and everything together in here. My dad came and gave us these awesome blackout shades. Whew, they're not even all the way down, but that's so cool. And then I'll show you guys the bathroom finish too. So got some new towels, new little rug, but look at the actual shower. It is so pretty. It's just so nice and fresh and clean. And I feel like this is gonna be my new little haven to just relax and take actual nice baths in here. We're just going so extra today, and now we're gonna build a crib. So we got this Nestig. This is like the baby box. It's the Wave mini crib, but it also has pieces. We're not gonna pull those ones out because you would like adjust later, but so it can turn into like a full-size crib and then also a toddler bed. So this will be able to grow with him as he grows. But it's just like a cute little mini crib, which should be pretty easy to put together. Now I can put my carpet down because that came. I've been hunting this rug on West Elm for, I'm not joking you, like 4 months. And it was so expensive and I couldn't justify it because it's like, it says it's a kid's rug, but it does not have like, it's not like cleanable, you know? So I shouldn't probably have gotten it anyway. But it has not gone on sale that whole time, no matter what holidays happen. It's finally on sale, so I bought it. And I hope I love it. The amount of cardboard boxes we now have piling in our garage and side yard is
Don't kids like to play with
absurd.
boxes? We should just save them.
for years. I was like dying this morning with his giant fingers. He looks like he has giant hands like you.
Not that big, really.
Your hands and your feet are very large for your height.
My feet are. My hands are normal size, I feel like, but who knows? Maybe. Maybe not.
It's just because you have like thin fingers, you know? That's what he did.
That's pretty much what he was doing.
So this is obviously when it's mini, because he's going to be mini for a while. And then, like, aesthetically, I kind of want to build the bigger one, but that's dumb because he doesn't need a big one right
You build him a bed?
Well, like, no, the bigger crib that's like the second size of this.
Oh.
Because there's 2 crib sizes. So this is the mini.
Got it.
Then, like, you can go slightly bigger, and then there's the toddler bed.
Nice.
But this is a little thing for his mobile. And they also gave us the cutest mobile. So, to get that out. Try to set this part up.
Done.
Ta-da! Ooh! It's a little... That's so cute. Look at it. They're so tiny.
The mobile designed for sweet dreams.
He'll have the best dreams. Okay, I have to show you guys his sheets though. Look at this. They're like the softest. I want these sheets. And they go so well with this cute littleness. It's like a hot dad moment. Building a crib, hanging a mobile. Oh my gosh.
Stop the cuteness.
It's just for a second I was like, oh, I need to get him a little pillow. I was like, no, absolutely.
You can suffocate.
Yeah,
It says it on the crib.
I know, but I was just thinking like,
I
well, Betty.
I just learned that.
You're
You're
gonna be way more educated.
Don't put pillows in there.
No,
Otherwise...
like and you can't put blankets either. Like I know this, but just you know, for a second.
Just because you're the ultimate cuddler, you're gonna try to.
Oh, cute.